Okay, my father Rick, and my
Down.
mother Jane, and my grandmother
Leave
Mimi,
it.
and my boyfriend Spencer.
She is interesting, isn't she, Spencer? Yeah. Okay. You ready to spin the wheel?
I am.
Okay, go ahead.
Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.
All right, over here.
You want more? Sit.
Get us right down here.
Down.
Okay. We need a phrase.
Leave it.
R-S-T-L.
Leave it.
Some of them up there, I trust. So our audience will be very quiet as we go through this. Wow. Open spaces in that puzzle. So let's have 3 more consonants.
Dexter. Over here.
D,
1.
F,
Leave it.
F, you said, is 2.
B,
Leave it.
A.
All right, there we go. And we have 1 word, but...
Dexter. Dexter. Sit.
Really, you don't have to go fast.
Down.
It's a phrase.
Leave it.
Talk it out. That can really help. Good one.
Good boy.